Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create test cases through the agents. So first we will go to the agents. So here you can see a build your agent now options. Yeah, so first it will ask us to give a autopilot prompt like what should your agent do. So I have created one prompt for you, like create an agent based on the following description, like create an AI agent that analyzes a UiPath site. I have added UI bank application site, and it identifies all the input fields and buttons and generate test cases for this website. So I have mentioned that it should also generate a validation for the required fields like confirmation messages and create a output in such a way that I can create a data table via automation. So why I want a data table? So I will be writing this output inside a Excel so that I can publish that Excel on test manager via Copilot to create some test cases. So let's get started. I will click on generate agent. So what's happening here? So in case of creating agent, we need system prompt and user prompt. So Copilot help us to create some system prompts and user prompts for us. So let's see what is Copilot is giving. So here you can see system prompt. Click on review suggestions. Yeah, so Copilot has created some system prompt for us. So you can analyze it if it's useful to you or you want some changes. If you want this as it is, then you can click on accept suggestions. Same thing for user prompt. We have suggestions here as well. You can accept suggestions. Again, for the arguments, we want our input arguments, output arguments. So here it has written as input arguments as items. Okay, I will accept it for now. Yeah. So here I can say that example is in output format, but here you can see we have an output format of array of items object which contains string. So we should change this output, and also my agent should have the input. So same thing we can ask our Copilot. URL should be passed as input and output should be in string format. So it has suggested some changes inside system prompt that we should pass a URL. We will accept it. See, it has updated the URL user prompt as well, where it is asking for a URL. Accepted. Then we need to change the argument types as well. So input will be string and output also be a string. It will contain all the test cases. Accepted. So now we have our agent ready. So we now have to discuss about the model. So model here I'm going to use is anthropopic. You can use whichever you want, but I found this anthropopic to be stable and get more effective results. And you can give temperature as a 0.3. So basically temperature is a thing which will decide the creativity of your output. So I don't want to be creative here. So I want a precise output from the agent, which is possible for the test manager. So we can keep it at 0.3. If you want a moderative creative thing, then you can go up to 0.7. And if you want a fully creative output, then you can go to max out this temperature. So I will keep it at 0.3. We can keep this maximum token per response as maximum.
Click on Tools and create New Automation or select Automation which you have already created. So I have selected Create Excel Automation which I have already created.
So this is the main workflow of create Excel, where we will be generating a data table from the text, writing it to Excel, and saving that file to the storage bucket. Here I will provide the storage bucket name. In our case, we have automation Pathshala. We can add it there. It will create a test accelerators. Yeah, so we will click on test on cloud. So it is running. Great. It has extracted the use cases, test cases. Now it is creating the Excel. We go into orchestrator. Automation running here in my workplace. If you go to jobs, here it is running. Here we can see, yeah, the job is completed. Yeah, so we have the use cases stored here. So we can download this Excel and upload it to the test manager so that we can have those test cases created.